So I have seen people, like, we are a training institute, so we kind of offer different kind of opportunities to the students who are passing out. So कई बार ऐसे होता है, I have seen it myself, कि स्टार्टअप में अगर कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी आई, इनिशियल फेज में अगर 6-7 लाख का पैकेज मिल रहा है, बट दे आर लाइक, वी वोंट टेक इट, वी वॉन्ट अ ब्रांड नेम टू लाइक स्टार्ट विथ. सो दे आर लाइक, हमें तो आप बड़ी ही कंपनी दो, वी वॉन्ट टू वर्क विथ एक्सेंचर, इन्फोसिस ओनली, or some these kind of perspectives run in their mind, and they actually let go of the opportunity in hand. So what kind of attitude is this right approach? Basically my question will be.
Depends. I don't see it's a wrong approach either, because people have aspiration. They want to showcase their experiences. They start with a great company because the learning opportunities, because the brand name, because of new technologies and innovation happening there. But अगर छोटा कंपनी भी है, मतलब कोई स्टार्टअप भी है, it's fine to take it. Means and there's no harm, because startups teach you more than what big companies teach. Because big companies have a lot of big clients, एक structured उनका mechanism होता है. But in startup you get to learn many things. You can try and test, fail, then try. A lot of innovation happens there, right? And if you're enjoying that, I feel there are a lot of and there's a reverse, means people, as part of HR I have seen it. When people leave Amazon and Microsoft, they go and join startups. A lot of people do that.
Oh,
So an average people stay there like 3, 5, 10 years, and they move back to the small companies. Because
why so, sir?
people always want to become a big shark in small well
Okay, okay, I got
or
I got
pond.
it. Yeah,
People don't want to become a small fish in big pond.
all right.
So you become a small fish in big pond. So visibility is not there. There are a lot of people like you. But in small companies, there are only few people and you're visible. So
Yeah.
you and every individual on this earth required pat on their back. So end of the day, if you're not getting rewarded and if you're not getting pat on your back, and so you don't enjoy.
या राइट, होता है सर एक्चुअली. बेसिकली ये चीज़ आई हैव सीन, एंड अभी आपने बोला, एड्रेस किया, तो मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि जब आप बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज में होते हो, देयर इज सो मच मैन पावर ओवर देयर, एंड यू आर जस्ट neglected. I won't say that neglected is the right word, but you're just a part of a crowd. But when you come to a startup or a smaller company and there you perform, your work is like awarded,
Yeah,
acknowledged basically.
absolutely.
So that is something every human craves at the end of the day. Okay, all right.